going with my own family, because everything is in a same technology, and that is why this is the highly demanding. They are saying that hire one person who know this thing, it become easy for them to build a website, because they know the front end also, back end also, database also. And I'm not saying, I'm not the only one who's saying this thing that this is demanding. I'll show the proof of that also. There's one survey from Stack Overflow. They're one of the website that every developer use, guys. What this survey say, around 65,000 people have took this survey, and what this survey say, the most demanding thing is the JavaScript. And the most demanding frameworks, most wanted framework, I'll say, is React is on a top. Not your Angular and all, Views and all. They're all going down. Angular is going very down. So you should not learn Angular now. It's not demanding much in market. So React is on a top. Node.js is again on the top. And the MongoDB is again on the top, guys. This survey from Stack Overflow. These are most wanted technology right now in the market. And see, this is what I'm talking about. So to become a full stack developer, we have to learn this technology. And in this course, we are covering basically React. So if anyone interested in learning the other technology also, at 6 a.m., we have other batch where I'm teaching the Node.js, Express and Mongo. Now, as we understand that where exactly React fit, okay, where exactly React fit. Now I'll come to the next point, that what all thing as a part of this course we're covering, what the prerequisite. Guys, the prerequisite for this course is very basic. You must know a basic of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Means you don't need to be advanced in any of them, but you know basic of them, basic HTML, basic CSS, and basic of JavaScript. In this course, what I'm covering is I'm going to make so many applications during this course itself. In this course, guys, I'm going to teach you all the advanced thing that is there in JavaScript. If you want to learn JavaScript separately, I have a separate course for that. But ultimately, it's not like that we have 10 sessions of JavaScript here. So what exactly is required separately, what is new in JavaScript, I'll try to cover that in the during a course itself. In this course, we are going to cover the NPM, which is very important. And then we are going to build a 3 application in React. Out of that, one application is this complete hotel booking application. On a first page, 4 pages we have: search, listing, detail, and buy now. See, if you're able to make one website, you can make any website just like that. If I know to drive one car, means if I know driving of a car, I can drive any car. It's just every website is same, only look and feel and data is different, but every website have a same flow. So here, if I show you that when we talk about this particularly the what we are building, the first page of our website is, guys, a search page. Here you have a 2 option. You have a 2 option to search. One option is your list, say list of a drop down. You can select a list, a city. With respect to city, you get a hotel. When you click on this, you will get the detail of this hotel. Okay, then you can go to place now. You can place your order and you can see all your bookings there. Or apart from that, you can directly go to the business, a quick search. Here is a recommendation, like for a business, what is the recommended hotels, and then you have a list of hotel, and then on the left hand side you have filters. Again, you can go to detail. Here we can put an image gallery and more content and place the order. Every website is same. So this complete product we're going to build. Apart from that, we're going to a lot of more things to this product. In this course, I'm going to cover as this course, we're not going to cover any backend. We're not going to cover how to make a APIs, how to make a graphical login logout API. So this is a backend course. So we're not covering this thing in this course. We're covering a mock API, means a dummy API. How we can make any dummy API there. In this course, I'm covering a GraphQL. In this course, I'm covering a 2 login logout mechanism, means how to combine the login logout in the front end, means how you can add a login option there. As a login, if I'm a login, I will see my things only. So all the login logout mechanism we are going to add. We are going to add 2 mechanism. One, user have to sign up and log in. Other, login with GitHub. Like you will see lot of website login with Facebook, login with Google, like that. So like this way, we are going to a third party login in this. We're going to learn a deployment, means after the applications are developed, we'll deploy them. Means free of cost, I'll show you how to make a live URL of your website. We're going to deploy through Mern, Docker, Heroku, Nginx. In this course, I'm going to cover the GitHub, guys. In this course, I'm going to cover the latest topic called React hooks. In this course, I'll show the one basic application of mobile development called React Native. In this course, I'm going to make a two application of Redux. In this course, we're going to do testing and then walk through, means two application walkthrough, that is Saga and React with TypeScript. In this course, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 application we are going to build during the course and two application I'll walk through. I'll show you how exactly these two topics work. So and how exactly this course proceed, guys. I don't have any PPTs. If you're looking for some fancy stuff like PPTs and all, then I might not be the right person for you, because in my course, I do the real development. You see these batches like September, October, November, December, like that. Every batch is having other folder. If I open any ongoing folders in March, so you will see that these are the batches. So if I open a React, see here, first app, second app, third app, Mern, auth with React, GraphQL, JWT, hooks, say login app, Redux 1, Redux 2, Saga, TypeScript, you see, or except two application, these two application, all these application, guys, I will build in front of you. Means in my course, it's a real coding there. It's a live coding, and live coding does not mean that copy pasted some code and show that, okay, this is how the code work. No, I will do the coding in front of you, except the basic CSS and all stuff we already have. We'll not spend a time on designing a CSS. So CSS I already have. Rest everything I will write in front of you. I'll build a complete application from level 0 in front of you. And all these 10 applications, guys, just taken away. If anyone able to make 10 application, you can make any application React. That I can say, because as part of my experience, as I mentioned, guys, I'm working as a freelancer consultant. What is that kind of a job? That job is like, you, a lot of companies come to you and say, okay, we want to make application, tell me what is a better approach, improve our application. So when I'm working for all these big companies, I see that what this company use, and my content is designed according to that. In every course, my content is designed according to that this gonna help you out. And I use one word called market ready. Means after this particular course, guys, you will be market ready. Means you don't have to learn anything there. You're 100% ready to jump in a market and grab the job. So this is how exactly, guys, my complete background, and this is how exactly this course is going to happen. You're going to do a real time coding. You're going to build applications during the session itself, and that too in a proper working manner, guys. This is what exactly the content, and generally this course contain 20 to 25 days. Sometime it take 18 days, sometime it take 30 days also, depend upon if the audience are asking a lot of questions. So obviously it take more time. If nobody asks a question, it might take a less time. But the only point is, guys, what all code I'm doing, I'll provide you all the code through GitHub. On the GitHub for lifetime access, I'll give the code. All the recording of sessions are given to you. You just have to do one thing. Means after every session, you have to practice. If you're doing a practice on daily basis, I can say one thing: you are not. It's not possible that you're not going to clear any interview, because at the end of the course, I'm going to provide the interview question also. Whatever course you join, Node course, React course, after every course, I will provide you that many interview questions. If you learn all of them, it's 100% possible you're able to grab a job, because you're able to clear the interview. Because as I mentioned, my content is something which is actually the market demand. Okay, so this is what exactly things are. And now I'll take a pause here, and you guys, and one more thing before going for a pause. As this is a first introduction session we did, now we have three more free session, guys. Three more free session for 30 minutes. I recommend everyone, means everyone, even though you don't want to join, you have just joined to see what exactly it is, right? I recommend everyone, guys, just come for next 3 days. Okay, Just come for next 3 days. That's it. And understand my way of teaching. Free of cost, 3 days. At least if you don't want to join also, at least in next 3 days, you understand what exactly React is. Right? So just join for next 3 days. And in next 3 days, you will able to understand my way of teaching. If you like it, continue. If you don't like it, you can skip. And as I mentioned, guys, there is a other batch of a Node.js in which you're covering a Node.js, Express, and the MongoDB. So this is a 6 a.m. batch. Like you join on 7 a.m. Before this, there's one more batch. That's a 6 a.m. batch. Over this 6 a.m. batch, we are covering a Node.js. We just started today itself. This is a kind of introduction we have given in Node.js also. So I recommend that those who are looking for full stack development, there's a course content of Node.js also I can share in the chat window. Those who are looking for a full stack development, by these two courses in 1 month, anyone can be a full stack developer. Means a 2 hour of session a daily and you are a full stack developer after 1 month. So in other word, guys, this is gonna be like 6 a.m. Node.js and 7 a.m. React, but it's not compulsory that you must learn both of them. Okay, so I'm not saying that, okay, I was just showing that if you are become a MERN stack developer, by doing these two courses, you become a MERN stack developer. But it's not compulsory that you learn both of them together, right? It's not required. It depends upon your requirement. So although when you're full stack developer, options are more in market, but ultimately one language is also enough to start working on the things and start learning. Ultimately, you have to become a full stack developer, but you can learn one by one also or together also. So this is a content, as I mentioned, just for next 3 days, you will see the way of teaching. And if you like it, continue, and else you can stop. Now I'll take a pause, guys. You go ahead one by one and take all the doubt you have during a session regarding a session, and then we can stop this. Now tell me, okay, I'll find some question chat window. Fee, that the fee will be basically shared. I think you will get one mail over that. The fee is a very discounted fee going on, so you'll get a fee detail Gaurav on the mail. Sir, only React also do we get a job with a good package? Yes, as I mentioned that only React can also grab a job, only Node also can grab a job, but together it is more easy to get a job. It's just like that. So as in a React, if it take a 10 days to get a job, as a full stack developer, it take a 5 days to get a job. It's just like that. Okay.
Sir,
Hello.
which one is good, sir? React JS with TypeScript or React JS with
See,
JSX environment?
JSX is a better, means 90% people are using a React JS with a JSX. So only and only very few people are using the React with TypeScript. So I'm covering that how exactly it works, but only 5% audience are using a React with TypeScript. Node.js is free. Which one? No, there no course
Hello.
is free, sir. Nothing's come free, Gaurav. Every
Hello.
course has separate fees. Yeah,
Hello.
Harish.
So, will you teach Redux or Context API, which is
Yes, we're covering that. In a hooks, we're covering
Context API
Context
also?
API,
Okay.
and in the Redux, we're covering a two application of Redux. We're covering both of them.
Sir, in outside companies, both are using or so on?
No, nowadays Redux are not using much, but people are using a simple React more in the company these days.
Okay.
But we're covering all, so you never know what is required in a company, right? So I'm trying my
Yes,
best
yes,
to cover every single thing. That after this, you're job ready. You don't have to worry about anything. If somebody asks you, you know this thing? Yes, I know this thing. It's just like that.
yes. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Ashantanu.
Yes, sir. I want to know in Saturday or Monday will be holiday or
Yes, it's a Monday
only
to
Monday
Friday.
will be.
It's Monday to Friday.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
Monday to
Daily,
Friday.
how much time?
Sir, ultimately the demo like next 3 sessions of 30 minutes. After that, session will be of between 45 minutes to 1 hour. So ideally take around 20 to 25 days. It can take a 30 days also, but around 20-25 days to cover this complete course. It's just like that.
Uh, Duration, sir, how much?
Every day 1 hour.
No,
Sir,
no.
recorded sessions are available for this.
Yes, the recording of every session available to you for next 2 years.
Okay.
Sir,
Thank
I
you.
am asking, sir, means how much month you will take to cover this?
1 month, 25 days, sir. 25 to 30 days. Means between 18 to 20, 18 to 30 days. It can take 18 days also, 20 days also, 25 days also. Depend upon if people are asking a lot of question, then obviously it take a more time. But in 1 month you'll able to complete.
So, is it course for beginners, sir?
Yes, for everyone who is don't know anything about React also, you can learn everything from here. beginner to advanced level, complete
Sir,
course.
are you going to teach React with JSX, right?
Yes, and I'm give the overview of React with TypeScript also.
Webpack also. Webpack.
Webpack is not required, sir. These are old days things, sir. Those days are gone, sir. We use a Webpack, Babel, Transpiler, Gulp. Those days are gone, sir.
I
These are
think
old.
Webpack is a new update, right? In
Sir,
React.
sir, who said this thing, sir? We use a Webpack, sir, 5 years back in React. Nowadays, nobody uses a Webpack, sir. They have one thing called React script. That is enough.
Yeah, okay, okay, thank you.
Sir, placement assurance is there, sir?
Come again?
Placement assurance.
No, there's no such thing called placement assurance, sir. It's a
Okay,
learning curve. There's nothing called placement assurance, sir.
but they have informed me
You
that
get
there will
the
be a
real-time
placement support.
knowledge.
There is, you talk to the company regarding that. I'm not sure about that part, sir.
Yeah, okay.
I'm confusing JavaScript. Can I join this course also? I'm continuing. with
Akash. Hello.
1 minute. Yes, you
Yeah.
can do the course. So after this, I like 8 a.m. Jagannath, I have the your JavaScript batch also starting today itself. So if you want, you can continue the JavaScript batch also just like that.
Yes, sir.
Fine. I'll share the link of JavaScript batch also. I have learned just HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So can I join the React? Should I, or should I join other course? No, that's enough. Monster 96. Who is this? So that's enough. More than enough.
Hello,
Yeah.
Akash.
That's Sakshi.
I have just basic knowledge about JavaScript. So should I complete that first or I can continue React?
So you can do together also, or ideally, if you want, you can come with the JavaScript first and then the React also. If you think like if you're confident in a basic, it's fine. If you feel like I'm not confident, then I recommend to do the JavaScript and React together. It's just like that.
I have just I'm confident about just the basic, but not more than that. Means I can know just the concept of that.
You
And
can do two things. See, if you want to be a front-end developer, you have two courses. One is a React and one is JavaScript course. So you can join together so that else what happened now, how exactly it went is suppose we spend a 20 days on JavaScript and then we spend another 30 days on React. So we have spent 2 months in just learning rather than by doing the two things together in 1 month, we are ready to do the next thing, Sakshi. That's how exactly it works. So that's why we start a 3 course always together, like React, Node, and the JavaScript. So depending upon your level of knowledge, you can join the courses and 1 month you can be a good developer just like that, Sakshi.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else, guys? Any questions? So this is the 3 batch link, guys. I'm sharing all these 3 batches link to all. So whatever you guys are comfortable, you can join those.
Sir, what is the difference between JSX and TSX, sir?
So JSX, that's a JavaScript. So they're kind of file, JavaScript XML. So you make a, these days when you see a file in React, people don't write a JSX, people write a JS file. Although it's up to you, you write a JS or JSX. And the TSX is a TypeScript. So you write a file in a TypeScript code. So one is a JavaScript, one is a TypeScript. It's just the difference. That's a different.
Sir, mostly using TypeScript now.
No, mostly using JavaScript now. Only 5% of audience hardly use a TypeScript course. TypeScript with a React.
Why, sir? What is the use of using TypeScript more than?
Just typecasting. You have to tell that what's a data type with each thing. You tell that, okay, if you're writing a one word, also tell that it's a typecasted, that it's a string, it's a number, it's a boolean, just like that. It's just like that when we meet, suppose if I meet any developer now who's using TypeScript, they say, nahi, bhai, everyone is using TypeScript, but it's not like that. As a trainer, how I can tell you by this much confidence, because I mentioned that I'm a consultant with every big company. I mean, apart from teaching, I'm a consultant as a freelancer around 10 to 20 companies, and there hardly I see any companies doing a TypeScript. It's just like that. So learn, guys. For learning is endless. It's never ending. Means if I want to learn more, I can still learn more. It's just like that. It's endless. But first learn what is demanding, grab the job, and after that learn whatever you want. This is how exactly it should go. Anyone still have a doubt? Clear to all? Perfect. So as I mentioned, guys, just next 3 days, that's enough for you to understand it. Then after that, you decide that what you want to do. You want to continue or you want to stop. For all 3 courses, the link is shared with you guys. Okay. Chandra, you're asking something, I guess. No?
No, sir, it's clear.
Perfect. I have a doubt. How can I ask? Paste in a chat Either unmute yourself or paste in a chat. I'll answer your question.
Akash, what can expect from to you in React?
Sorry.
What can expect? What can expectation from React?
What expectation in terms of means, sir? I didn't get a question. I'm going
Like
to cover this course. I'm going to build a multiple 10 application during this course itself, Nagesh. You're going to be a full stack, means going to proper React developer in next 1 month. That's what I can say.
okay, actually, I'm .NET developer. That's why I'm confusing. Should I learn or not? React.
Obviously, sir, learn React. I don't want to demotivate, but sir, you yourself know the .NET is ideally going down in market, sir, and that's a proof. See where exactly right now .NET in a market, sir. It's actually going down the market, but you can grow yourself by learning a React together.
Mm.
So you can become full stack developer because you know the backend of .NET and you know the front end in React. So you can be a full stack developer. You can make a backend APIs in the .NET and consume that through React. So you can become full stack developer and make yourself stand out in the market. Because sir, right now, believe me or not, it's actually little going downside. PHP is actually going very down out of market, just like that. So this is how exactly things are going. So learn what is trending. As I mentioned in the beginning also, I have only one motto: learn, unlearn, and relearn. The market is all about that. So you should not think like I should learn from me or not. It's up to you. But learn, sir. Because learn, unlearn, relearn if you want to sustain in market. It's just like that.
Yeah, okay.
I hope I've cleared everyone's doubt. Awesome.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, cool guys. So this Monster 96 guys, I don't have any email. If you email me, it's very difficult for me to reply you back. Rather paste a question right now here, I'll answer you. Or when you join tomorrow, just try to fix your mic or join through mobile phone so you can talk to me and take it out tomorrow also. It's up to you. Okay. You can even ask it out tomorrow as well. Not a problem. Okay. Perfect guys. So I'll connect with you tomorrow on the same time for React, 6 a.m. for Node and 8 a.m. for JavaScript. Okay, and then from there you can learn the things. Just join for 3 days, understand it, and then decide that what you want to do next year. Okay, perfect guys. Yes, Sakshi.
I wanna join a batch, means I wanna take a demo class for JavaScript also. Then they will provide me link on email or how?
I have given this link in a chat window. Do you see this? I have given the 3 links, ma'am. I'll show you once again. These are all 3 links for all 3 courses: 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. See in the chat once. 6 a.m. the Node.js link, 7 a.m. the React.js link, and the 8 a.m.
Yes,
the
yes, I got it.
Perfect. Cool guys. So yeah, I'll catch you there in the session. And hooks and lifecycle concepts are both the same. No, hooks are different, lifecycle is different, Tushar. So we're covering both of them. Okay then guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.